Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Lexi. For today's video, it's that time of the month again, girl. I'm unboxing my Boxycharm. So this month's theme was very Coachella and festival themed, and it's called Peace, Love, and Boxy. As usual, I'm just gonna go through each item that I received, and then I'll go into using them and see what I think. So the first item, let me actually show you. So this is the box right here. Again, $21 a month, over $100 worth of products. Super good deal. So the first item is Artist Couture, and it's their Diamond Glow Powder Loose Powder Highlighter in Summer Haze. And I always wanted to try an Artist Couture highlighter. I just never got to buying them. I had a friend that was obsessed with them, and her highlight was always popping. So pretty excited to use this, and I kind of already opened it. It was like a struggle opening this thing, but I'll just show you like the lid inside because it's like a mess right here. And then I'll put some on my finger, so it looks like that. The next item is by Butter London, and it's a mascara that retails for $20, and it looks like this. It says Power Up, and this is what the brush looks like. So we'll see how that works. The next item is by Beauty For Real, and it's a Finish Line liquid eyeliner. I'm trying to get it out of the plastic packaging. It looks like this, and it has that felt tip to it. So next brand is by Lexi, and as you can see, the whole Coachella vibe going on. We received 3 brushes, and this is their Summer Days 3-piece brush set, and these retail for $28. If I can get them out. So these are the 3 here. We have a small contouring brush here, the small shader, or it could be basically a packing brush, and then the larger shader. So super cute, again with the whole festival theme. It has this really cute pink ombre tone at the tip. It's like an orangey gold tone. So Lexi brushes I've gotten before in my Boxycharm, and I really like how soft they are, so I'm excited to mess with these. And then the last product, which I'm pretty sure if you have Boxycharm, you were super excited to get your hands on this, but this is by Pure, the Complexion Authority brand, and this is their festival palette that retails for $36. There actually is a sample primer that they threw in here, called Get a Grip. So we'll put that on our eyes before applying these shadows. But again, the whole festival Coachella theme, like, it's just super cute. It comes with the mirror. So this is the palette and what it looks like. It's super pretty. I love the colors. You can play around with the more brighter colors or keep it neutral, however you want it. This palette has it. So that was everything that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and start playing around, and we'll see what I think. Okay, I had to tie my hair back because your girl is getting hot. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the sample that they gave us to prime our eyes. Okay, so we primed our eyes. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with the palette. I'm gonna go in with the large shader, and I'm gonna use Epic right here as the transition shade, and I'm gonna use this one for pretty much my whole look because Okay, so next I'm gonna go in just a little bit in the outer corner with Hidden Desert right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Wild Child, which is that super bright pink. I'm gonna go in with a small shader brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the purple shade right here, Gypsy, with the same brush. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this last shade here, which is called Fireworks. I'm gonna go in with the other shade, 24 Karat Magic. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the liquid liner. Okay, so I went ahead and put on all of my face makeup to go ahead and go in with the Artist Couture highlight, and I'm going to use the contouring brush that it came with. I didn't really want to use it to contour because it didn't look like it would do much, so I'm just going to go ahead and lightly pack the brush and apply it.
You can like see it like ooh, girl.
Of all the highlights, this is the first, with my shitty lighting, this is the first highlight you actually can see it just glowing on my skin. Like, it's crazy. Oh my god, I like. Okay, and then finishing up with the mascara, but before I do that, I wanted to go back in real quick and apply the pink and purple shades on my lower lash. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the mascara. And we'll just, for the hell of it, go in with the second coat. I really like. Obviously this one does not have mascara, this one does, and you can tell the difference, and I really do like it. And just because we want to be once more extra, I'm gonna go in with Free Spirit and put that in the inner corner. So I wanted to just come outside for you guys so you guys can kind of see the makeup a little bit better. Again, ignore my eyebrows. But I kept the lip a little bit more simple. Still cute because it's glossy, but I really wanted to draw attention more to the eyes. But honestly, I loved everything that I got. The eyeliner, I think, really didn't work with the eyeshadow that I was packing on. But I'll try it again on a regular eye look or when I just don't even wear eyeshadow. The whole box retailed for $127, and if I didn't mention, the eyeliner was $16. So this concludes the video for today. If you guys enjoy videos like this and you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!